Male dogs have a desire to roam. Male dogs often exhibit a more independent nature due to their active sexual drive, which means they are more likely to wander or travel long distances in search of females in heat. They are also more prone to engaging in territorial disputes with other male dogs. Additionally, male dogs tend to mark their territory more frequently than females. While both male and female dogs engage in urine marking, it is more common in males, and it serves as a way to assert dominance and attract mates. Studies have shown that high status male dogs mark their territory more frequently than lower status dogs.